Good morning. Next aptitude topic is boats and streams. Let's study the formulas in the beginning. The first formula is speed downstream is equal to m plus x. Speed upstream is equal to m minus s. Speed in the still water is equal to m plus s divided by 2. Rate of stream is equal to m minus s divided by 2. And m and s. Speed of the stream against a man rowing the boat in the still water. This is m. Let's go to the first problem. A person can swim in the still water at 4 km per hour. If the speed of the water is 2 km per hour, how many hours will the man take to swim back against the current for 6 km? So they have clearly given a person can swim in the still water at 4 km per hour. So let us take it as m is equal to 4 km per hour. And the speed of the water is 2 km per hour. So s is equal to 2 km per hour. Now we need to find upstream. Upstream is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2 km per hour. Speed downstream is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 km per hour. And they have clearly given that takes total distance is equal to 6 kilometers. Therefore distance is equal to 6 km. And they are asking if the speed of the water is 2 km per hour, how many hours they require? Time is equal to 6 distance divided by upstream. To move back, upstream means moving forward, back direction, that is 6 divided by upstream 2 is equal to 3 hours. Therefore time is equal to 3 hours. Let's go to the next problem. A boat goes 100 km downstream in 10 hours and 75 km upstream in 15 hours. The speed of the stream is how much? So they are giving that boat goes 100 km downstream. The distance is equal to 100 km and time is equal to 10 hours. So speed downstream is equal to 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10 km per hour. Similarly, speed upstream is equal to 75 km upstream in 15 hours. So 75 divided by 15 is equal to 15 ones are 15 5s are 5 km per hour. So they are asking the speed of the stream. The speed of the stream S is equal to downstream 10 speed downstream minus speed upstream divided by 2. So we get 2.5 km per hour. Let's go to the next problem. A man can row his boat with the stream at 6 km per hour and against the stream in 4 km per hour. The man's rate is. So they have given a man rows boat with the stream 6 km per hour. Therefore m is equal to 6. And against the stream means 4 km per hour. So S is equal to 4. So man's rate is nothing but 6 minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1 km per hour. Let's go to the next problem. A man can swim in still water at 4 km per hour but takes twice as long to swim upstream than downstream. The speed of the stream is. They have clearly given man can swim in still water at 4 km per hour. Therefore, m is equal to 4.5. They didn't give the speed of the stream. Let us take the speed of the stream is equal to x and we need to find speed upstream. Speed upstream is equal to m minus 6, that is equal to 4.5 minus x. Speed downstream is equal to 4.5 plus x. And they have given but takes twice as long swim upstream. Therefore speed downstream is equal to 4.5 plus x is equal to 2 times 4.5 minus speed upstream. So after simplification you get x is equal to 1.5. That is the speed of the stream. Speed of the stream is equal to 1.5 km per hour. Let's go to the next problem. A man can row with the speed of 15 km per hour in still water. If the stream flows at 5 km per hour, the speed downstream is equal to the speed of 15 km per hour in still water. That is equal to m is equal to 15 km per hour. And if the stream flows at 5 km per hour, that s is equal to 5. Therefore, speed downstream is equal to m plus x, that is equal to 15 plus 5 is equal to 20 km per hour. Let's go to the next problem. The speed of the boat when traveling downstream is 32 km per hour, whereas when traveling upstream it is 28 km per hour. what is the speed of the boat in still water and what is the speed of the stream. So they have clearly given speed downstream is equal to 32 km and speed upstream is equal to 28 km. Therefore, speed of the boat in still water is equal to half into 32 plus 28. So the answer is 4 km per hour. Speed of the stream is equal to half into 32 minus 28, which is equal to 2 km per hour. The speed of the boat in the still water means m plus s divided by 2, and speed of the stream is equal to m minus s divided by 2. Let's go to the next problem. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. It takes him twice as long to row up as to row down the river. Find the rate of the stream. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. That means m is equal to 6 km per hour. That is, man's rate upstream is equal to x km per hour, because they have given x and rate downstream is equal to twice of upstream. So 2x km per hour. Rate in still water is equal to half into, as we know that, half into x plus speed down upstream plus speed downstream, x plus 2x. So after simplification we get 3x divided by 2 is equal to 6, the given data. So when you simplify you get x is equal to 4 km per hour. So rate upstream, speed upstream is equal to x. In place of x it should be 4 km per hour. Rate downstream is equal to 2 into 4, which is equal to 8 km per hour. Therefore rate of the stream is equal to half into speed downstream minus speed upstream, which is equal to 2 km per hour.